Vitaminfood is a sugar-free vegan complete nutrition shake sweetened with only stevia, packed with a complete non-GMO blend of 27 vitamins and minerals, plant-based proteins, healthy slow carbs, fibers, unsaturated healthy fats, and all of the essential nutrients you need to get through the day. No time to cook or sit down to a full meal. Drink Vitaminfood when it suits you best, as a healthy breakfast, nutritious lunch, or quick, delicious dinner. You determine how many scoops of Vitaminfood you use, and with that, you determine your calorie and carbohydrate intake yourself. We help you find the right balance between fast and healthy, between functional and tasty. Your body gets the very best fuel, and you get a more comfortable body and more room in your busy agenda. Vitaminfood is completely vegan and is therefore an active contributor to the cruelty-free and environmentally friendly food revolution that helps save our planet. Fast food reinvented. Vitaminfood.